Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We are your local Sea Ray boat dealer here in South Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous Sea Ray 23 SPX Outboard. This is a 2024 model. Such a great boat, full of features. This has got the dune interior. We have anchor storage up here. This does have the filler cushion in the bow to make it one big lounge. Huge bimini top, all stainless steel hardware. How nice this boat is inside. It's got so much room. This is comparable to most other brands 25 footers. You have the SeaDek flooring. This one's got the optional 204-stroke Mercury on it. I'll push this boat just about 50 miles per hour. Stainless steel propeller. That's a 4-rung ladder. This is a cool aft lounge area here. It can be flat or it can be inclined to make it into a chaise lounge. You have a standard water ski attachment here for water sports. You have dual batteries on this boat, easy battery switch location, beautiful walkthrough with storage. Look at all the opposing seating in here, dual bucket seats, cup holders everywhere. This has the premium audio, big ski storage in the floor. This has the 9-inch Simrad digital dash. There are no gauges on this boat, full digital controls as well. The size of the head on. Who has a 23 or who has a head on a 23 footer? It's fantastic. You have a block off door in the bow as well. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Sea Ray boat dealer. This was a 2024 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.